Myself, Dr. Ansari Fazana Veduzama, Department of Chemistry, JTR Science Commerce College, Malegaon. Welcome all of you. Today we shall discuss about parameters of instrumental analysis. Analysis is the process of obtaining chemical or physical information about the sample. The component in the sample to be determined are called as analyte, while remaining of the sample is termed as matrix. Analysis becomes determination when we measure analyte's physical or chemical properties. The measurement is the experimental determination of analyte. Technique, method, procedure, and protocol. It is necessary to follow 4 levels of analyte methodology to get the solution to analytical problem. Technique, any physical or chemical principle which can be used for sample analysis is termed as a technique. The application of technique for determination of analyte from the specific matrix is called method. For example, graphite furnace atomic absorption spectrometry technique is used for the determination of lead in water and soil or blood, but the method are different. That means selection of method depends upon the requirement of information. Procedure. Procedure is a written direction that gives the outline of analysis of the sample. Procedure includes information about proper sampling, removal of interferences, and validation of result. Different analysis may use different procedure to analyze a same sample. Protocol. It is set of written guideline giving detail of procedure which must be used. Protocol are generally used when analytical chemistry is used to define code public policy if analytes determining the concentration of lead in water under safe drinking water acts protocol is specified by environmental protection agency must be followed by the analyst. Technique, method, procedure, and protocol. Selection of analytical method. The selection of analytical method depends on the type of information required or requirement of the analysis. Selection of correct method involves some of the factors: accuracy, precision, sensitivity, selectivity, ruggedness, scale of operation, time, availability of equipments, and cost, etc. Accuracy means the measure of agreement between experimental result and expected result. Accuracy may be expressed as percent relative error. Percent relative error is nothing but is equal to obtainable result minus expected result divided by expected result into 100. Depending upon the magnitude of the relative error, analytical method may be divided into groups. When obtained results are within 1% of expected result, the method has high accurate. Relative error is the between if the relative error is in between 1% to 5%, the method is moderately accurate. While if relative error greater than 5%, method has low accuracy. Precision. It is the measurement of agreement between experimental result. As closer the agreement between the individual result, more precise the result. Precision does not imply accuracy. For example, result of determination of concentration of K in serum, that means potassium in serum. Sensitivity is the measure of method ability to distinguish between two samples. It is given by the change in signal per unit change in the amount of analyte. If ASA is the smallest increase in signal which can be measured, then a smallest difference in the amount of analyte can be given as, see, this is the simple precision and accuracy to determination of the concentration of potassium in serum, showing the effect of precision. The data in A are less scattered and therefore more precise than the data in B. See ya. Selectivity. The analytical method is selective if its signal is proportional to the amount of analyte present in the sample in presence of interference. See here, S sample is equal to SA and SL, total signal due to the constituent in the sample, whereas SA signal due to the analyte, SR signal due to the SI signal due to the interference. These are the simple selectivity determination formula. Robustness and ruggedness. The method which is free from chemical interference and it can be used for determination of analyte from the wide variety of the sample. Matrices is used to robust. A method which is relatively insensitive to the change in experimental condition is considered as rugged. Thank you for watching.